How's it growing? What? I am giving $150 worth of plants to the winner of this contest. Now these are plants that I'm selling, but there's no purchase necessary to enter this contest. These are edible landscape perennials, beautiful, delicious, nutritious. Your HOA won't even know the difference. The winner will also get python snake seeds. These are in high demand. Baker Creek can't even keep them in stock. And there are more plants, seeds, and cuttings for the winner to choose from in addition to the plants that are for sale as mentioned. This includes a jackfruit tree. To enter the contest, you must do 3 things. You must subscribe to the channel, or you can already be subscribed. You must like the video on YouTube, not on a Facebook post or something. Go to the YouTube channel and like the video. And then comment on the video with the answers, 5 answers to 5 questions that I have. Now I'm going to make it easy for you. I'm going to tell you where you can find those answers, and they're going to be in 5 different previous episodes. And I'm going to make it even more easy for you by telling you which episodes those answers are in. If you've been following the channel, you have a really good chance of knowing those answers already. For those who are new to the channel, you can kind of think of it as a treasure hunt. The winner must be able to pick up the plants here in Oakland Park, Florida. That's here in South Florida. Now, if you happen to have grandparents living here and you're coming to visit them, great. I wouldn't advise that during the pandemic. But basically, I cannot ship the plants. I'm not set up legally to ship plants. Question number 1. Which plant did I talk about in episodes 2 and 6 that are the easiest starch to grow in South Florida? Number 2. What are the 2 soil amendments that I used when I planted the papaya in episode number 7? Question number 3. What is the fun fact about me that I talked about in episode 6? Number 4. What are the 4 things that I wish that I knew when I started gardening in South Florida, as I talked about in episode number 3? And number 5. What is it that the bees do to the queen just days before they swarm, as mentioned in episode number 10? Now remember, you have to subscribe to the channel or already be subscribed, like the video, and answer these 5 questions correctly in a comment below. Not on a Facebook post or some other social media. It has to be on this video on YouTube. You have to be logged in. There's a list down below in the description of YouTube guidelines. The gist of a lot of those guidelines is I, as the YouTuber doing this contest, have to be abundantly clear of the parameters of the contest. When does it start? When does it end? Well, it starts as soon as this video is uploaded on YouTube. So if you're seeing it on YouTube, the contest has begun. And the contest is over when we have a winner, and I will announce the winner in the comments here on YouTube. Or if December 20th, 2020 comes along and we still don't have a winner who has answered the answers correctly, or they didn't like the video, subscribe, or whatever, then the contest is over, and may the best person win. And let's grow together.